That is the new title of the show, called Cozy in the Kitchen.
Cozy in the Kitchen.
Well, Christen, put this on.
Have second roll first.
You're here for a reason, and that reason is because you are a wonderful person.
That's what my mom tells me.
So we were getting excited about mac and cheese. We were getting excited about kettle chips. Is there a path to go together?
Hi, everybody. I'm here with my wonderful dear friend Christen again, and her boyfriend, partner, whatever label we want to put on it, Blake.
I am honored, excited, and ready to go.
We haven't had dinner.
We haven't had dinner. There are 3 things that I need to cook, or I'm going to cook in the next 6 days. Kettle chips,
Yum.
mac and cheese.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, also because I have sodium citrate and I want to play with it a little bit more.
Oh.
So it just becomes gooey
I
and
feel like
wonderful.
mac and cheese sounds like a great idea
Right,
with that.
mac and cheese is good.
Let's see what's
Let's see
in
what's
it.
the fridge.
The fridge is in the cave somewhere.
Is there a sense of the number of ingredients that you use, or you kind of just go with whatever you're feeling?
Oh, I super vary it. Clementines, feta cheese, cream cheese, hummuses, lettuces. I wasn't gonna tell you guys. Cookie dough, scallions, honey, orange juice, champagne, 2 open tonics,
Lots of egg whites, my favorite.
vinegar powder, potatoes.
Kettle chips. I'm really excited about making kettle chips.
This is the pasta. This is the radiators because they look like radiators.
Oh, they are super fun.
What are these called? Do you know?
Radiator.
How do you know that?
Because it says radiator.
What are these things?
That is the sodium citrate. It basically turns any cheese into the texture of American cheese.
Ooh, I want to play.
I made a commitment to Greg that he could have dinner at the end of this
Really agree.
process.
I want to be on board with mac and cheese and kettle chips
We could-
are not enemies.
So we had the adventure in the broken fridge. We've decided on both kettle chips and mac and cheese.
Because, may I say, who wants to choose between those 2 things?
Pot of water to start boiling, pot of oil to start heating. You know what's funny about this place is that I don't know where anything is. Well,
I'm just getting resourceful. I'm saying what's in the cabinet.
you should go on the journey.
What's in my cabinet?
The one thing I would really suggest we do is put on aprons.
Do you want a matching one with Wes?
Do you want a matching one with me?
We're gonna have 2 things going on at once. We're gonna have the mac and cheese going, and we're gonna have the potatoes going.
Do we have a mandolin?
Wait a second. We're gonna pause this whole thing.
Why?
Because we're talking about making kettle chips. And this guy over here says, do we have a mandolin?
Yeah.
And I realize, dear viewers,
Oh no, we're on camera.
that I haven't asked, hey, do you cook a lot?
Ooh, good question.
I do not actually cook very much.
And yet,
Knows what a mandolin is.
so that's why I go, I'm Minuten bitte, have you brought a ringer?
No.
I just really do like kettle chips. I think that's what it comes down to.
Are these the right cheeses?
Well, with the sodium citrate, there are no wrong cheeses. Extra sharp white cheddar.
Great.
That is also extra sharp. It's aged reserve, also white cheddar.
I hope that makes it.
I don't know how well I'm doing at cooking anything, but I'm doing a very good job of eating
Slice
cheese,
the potatoes
cheese
one-
pieces that I'm given.
1 16-inch thick slice of potatoes.
So basically like as thin as you can.
As thin as you can.
As thin as you can, Blake.
1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. I don't know if that's a real song, but I'm going with it. So
you
your
ready, really?
human mandolin has cut 4 potatoes.
I chose a deeper but narrower pot because I want to be safe and don't want to have things splatter.
Bechamel, bechamel, bechamel.
Exactly, bechamel. So bechamel is 1 part, i.e. 3 tablespoons butter, which is melting in the pan.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of flour. You basically cook the flour with the butter. Slowly then add the milk. It's gonna seize up, which is perfectly fine.
Keep it on heads up.
Like you're gonna think you've done something wrong.
It's like a cookie dough.
Mm-hmm. So now you keep stirring it. I think it's good.
Good? Get in there.
See what happens.
Salt?
Maybe taste it.
Sweet?
I'm just gonna eat salt, but like, is it smooth is the question. Because we're frying things, we can't be in a position where it's done cooking and we don't know what to do with it. So I'm also gonna lay out some paper towels on a rim baking sheet with grate over that.
So do we have to check the temperature of the oil?
Of the oil. 375 oil. When you dump in all the potatoes, it's gonna lower the temperature of the oil.
Do I need anything on my hands, or am I just gonna get burnt?
No.
Neither of those things. What? Do you want me to do it, baby?
No, I got you. Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
No.
383. It's
Oh
already
my
done.
god.
my God,
it's
now,
game
now,
time,
now,
game
now,
time,
now.
game time. Go, 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 go. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Ooh, so satisfying.
The higher you are when you drop them, the more splatter they will be.
Alright, so go low, go low, go low. Okay.
Then
Stir. Be careful.
The point of stirring right now is to separate them from each other. And if they create fun textures and like they curl around each
I
other,
love a
they
double
don't-
chip.
right?
Love it though.
That's what you're sort of aiming. That's how you get it. Is right now.
Let the good times roll. Is
Yeah,
that what you
exactly.
said?
Exactly. So I notice we have boiling water right here, and I'm gonna put in our pound of pasta. It's simmering. Simmering. Oh, it's shimmering. Would you rather have cavatappi or radiators?
Honestly,
Why are you looking at me as you make
how do
this
you
question?
feel about this? I've had cavatappi before. We gotta go radiator.
Great. Let's stir this up.
It's a stirring utensil.
Whatever you got.
Let's
I'm gonna
wait. Are we
fill you
sodium
all.
citrating?
So sodium citrate, I have a habit every so often of adding cheese when this sauce is too hot. And so the sauce breaks. That doesn't happen with sodium citrate. You can also mix sodium citrate with much older cheeses, much sort of more aged cheeses that tend to separate much faster. So that's actually why I'm trying to add it now. Oftentimes it calls for
You want
a
more
fair
cheese?
amount of water.
Okay.
So I don't know if we should add water to that and then add this and add the sodium citrate with it, or just for the sodium citrate.
What's your gut telling you?
My gut is telling me thin it out a bit, yeah.
Add some water.
We're gonna add some water. So much
I'm
of
gonna be
this I can
honest.
taste it.
I really like creamy mac and cheese, like thick mac and cheese.
Yeah, no, me too.
Do we taste the sauce? No.
It's gonna taste like cheese. It needs salt. But taste it and see what you think. If you want your mac and cheese to taste like that, then we're all set. The thing about cooking is that a lot of people are like, does this taste right? I don't know. Does it taste the way that you want it to taste?
Not gonna lie. It's pretty damn good.
The thickness is perfect. I mean,
It's so creamy.
I'm not
Look
mad
at
at
this. It feels on my tongue like American cheese, like melted American cheese.
what's you?
That's a sodium citrate.
Yep.
So
Oh my God.
Do you put in
It's really good.
any spices, or you leave it just like what it is?
I around all the time with mac and
Okay.
cheese.
It does.
You don't think it needs black pepper?
I do.
Well then, luckily, I brought black pepper. You know what it really needs?
What?
Mustard.
Do it.
Do you put mustard in your mac and cheese?
I think mustard and cheddar. I think cheddar without mustard is like
Go get it.
un petit peu, because a lot goes a long way.
All right.
Look at how creamy. When those are crispy and done to your liking, we will take them off.
Oh, you can hear them getting crispy.
Tongs.
Tongs. What I would use at home is a spider strainer. I don't know that I have one here, but I would use like a slotted spoon, which I also don't have here. So maybe like a pasta spoon, which I do have here.
Oh yeah.
Boom.
That's nice.
Chip flavors. I'm gonna make a couple spice blends. In one flavor, we do 1 part vinegar powder to 2 part salt. 1 part vinegar powder to like 1/6 part salt.
I just got caught picking my teeth because we're on camera the entire time.
Oh, I kind of want to keep that in just because you said it.
Keep it in! Son of a dentist, ladies and gentlemen. Son of a dentist.
So this is cayenne, and I'm gonna add like a tiny bit. That's gonna be a lot. That's the way it goes sometimes. Cumin. I love cumin, so I'm gonna add a boatload. Chili powder.
Ooh, yeah. That's
2
a generous
teaspoons.
teaspoon.
Great, awesome. So do we have, what else do we have up there that's sort of oniony?
Oregano.
Oh yeah, bring us some oregano.
Thyme.
What's that red stuff?
Cumin?
Is that really?
Paprika.
Paprika. Okay, good. Okay. Paprika. A boatload of oregano, because like, why the hell not?
They honestly look awesome already.
I've been monitoring it the whole time.
You're
I have
so
one
good at
job.
this. Oh my
I have
God.
one job.
They're fantastic.
Some of them have stuck, but not all of them.
No, but they should, they're kettle chips. They should be in like weird positions, right? Look at that.
He made
Raises up.
potato chips.
He made potato chips. Blake, do you cook a lot?
No, but miracles do happen.
Look at that. You made fucking
I
potato.
would also like to see what they taste like once you.
Yeah,
Flavor
because they're
them.
kind of bland. Just done. Super done.
Nice and salty.
Oh, we need a colander for pasta. I'm learning this kitchen. Put a little bit of this, and then a lot of that.
And then top it.
Yeah. Radiatore. Good sign of a good time. You have a little on your nose.
That's real good.
It's really damn good. Honestly, I think one of my lessons learned, Wesley, is that a tiny bit of mustard and mac and cheese.
We use,
Really?
we use both of his. We are going to shut everything off now, too.
We are. Like, you're so responsible in the kitchen. Can I be honest? I leave the oven on the lot and you always turn it off.
Well, it's because I
that
don't like to
true?
get beat burnt.
That's true.
It's not
I
true.
leave it on overnight. Take one.
Wait, is that the vinegar one?
Mm-hmm.
That's phenomenal. The flavoring is
Wesley.
really, really good.
If you're buying a salt and vinegar bag of potato chips for $8, it's not gonna be as good as that.
So just to be clear, she lives in San Francisco, so that's why it's $8.
I will say the kettle chips,
Mm-hmm.
they were simpler than I thought. Like, I didn't realize that just being patient,
I was just gonna say the lesson was patience.
they kind of make themselves. I like the spice.
I like the
Right.
vinegar. The crunch is so nice.
So, like, the auditory sensation of hearing you crunch on the chip is kind of impressive.
Damn.
I would definitely make it again because I feel like, honestly, as long as you're willing to sit there and kind of work with it and go with the temperatures and let it go, it's really not a lot. And then you can make the spices as you're letting it cook.
Some cookies are delicious.
So good. And the texture of the cheese.
It forms
Here's
to the
a key
noodle.
feedback. So my lesson learned here
I mean, I'm eating more of it.
is that adding a little mustard
Yeah.
is incredible. I was borderline hangry / frustrated at the beginning. I'm pretty delighted right now.
It was quite an experience.
It's a really good journey.
I'm a little bit proud of ourselves.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Kristen. Thank you so much, Blake. You guys are wonderful.
Cheers.
You guys are wonderful.
I'm ready to
Honestly,
eat.
the patience with the potato chips.